welcome, guys. Welcome back again. Today, let's talk about how you guys are managing the social distancing and things you can do at home to help you get along. The world is going crazy. People are going cuckoo because a lot of them feel that their movement are so constrained and restricted. Here, I have some things, some ideas to share with you how you can manage your social distancing in this pandemic era. So if this is going to interest you, keep watching. So I have my notes on my phone. So let's go through the things that you need to do to help you manage this era. First one is get better sleep. A lot of you guys don't sleep because you come home late and you leave very early in the morning. This is the time for you to get better sleep. Eat more nutritious meal. You have time to manage your food and cook properly. And make sure you are drinking a lot of citrus. Do not forget to add lemon to your tea. Eat lots of green tea. Drink lots of green tea and green leafy vegetables. You can still exercise at home. Do your exercise at home. Climb the stairs, walk around the house, and read books. This is the time for you to read books and engage in things that you love to do. Listen to your favorite podcast, TEDx, teaching. This could be the time for you to open your YouTube channel or to explore things that you really wanted to do. Do that. And the most important thing, lest I forget, is family. Family comes first. Spend time with your family. A lot of universities are closed down. It might be the time for you to spend time with your big ones to really find out how they're doing in school. Engage on one-to-one activities. If you have younger ones at home, do some crafts at home. Spend quality time. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Start work or hobby. If you love to swim, do something new on a project. Learn how to paint your room with the kids, explore your options, learn new skills. Everything is on the computer, everything is on the internet. Figure out the skills that you really love doing. If you love cooking and you have never had time to explore YouTube to see what is out there, this is the time for you to do that. Figure out or find out your favorite YouTubers, find out the videos that you have missed. This is the time for you to sit down and watch those YouTubes, and also get into Netflix. If you're one of those people, get into Netflix to see what is out there. What have you missed? For me, I don't know how to tweet, so I am so glad that my kids are back from university. This is the time for them to teach me how to tweet. Yes, I don't know how to tweet. I just go there, I post things, but I don't really know how to use Twitter. So it's one of the things that I will learn at this period. Don't forget to call out elderly people. Like if you have uncles or aunties, this is the time. Even if you don't go there to visit them, spend some time on the phone, chit chat with them. For me as well, this is the time for me that I reach out to people in Nigeria, because most of the time, by the time I'm free to call them, it's already midnight because we have 6 hours difference. So now that I am home the whole time trying to do things online, I can have time to call them. And you can do the same thing as well. Reach out to your people, reach out to your friends, get into your email, return some of your emails that you have not even opened in a long time. Find out what is going on out there. Do not be bored. The world is not a boring place. There is a lot for you to explore, especially in this pandemic era, where you have all the time in the world to explore. But also do not forget to patronize small businesses. I was watching on the TV today, a lot of small businesses are going down the drain because people are locked up. So if there are things that you really need, don't forget that delivery services is still out there. If you're the kind that loves eating restaurant food, remember to order your food. They will come to the doorstep and leave your food for you. So guys, let us pray for one another so that we stay safe and keep safe in this pandemic era, because people in this part of the world, I don't know where you are, but as long as I am concerned, people in Europe, people in America, people in Canada, they are so confused because, like I say, it's an individual perception. They don't know what to do. So anyway, they don't know what to do at this time. So prevention is better than cure. So guys, stay safe, maintain your space. Maintain your space and things will be all right. Hopefully, they are trying to figure out how to fight this pandemic era. So I will leave you guys here. Remember to share the video and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.